Welcome to Green NRJ. Today, we're excited to bring you the most complete, practical, and smooth guide on how to import oral collagen into Vietnam in 2025. If you're a brand looking to expand into Asia and tap into one of the fastest growing beauty and wellness markets, this video is exactly what you need. Vietnam's oral collagen market is booming, driven by the rising demand for beauty from within solutions. More consumers are looking for products that help them glow from the inside out, creating a huge opportunity for global brands. But along with this potential come strict regulations and complex procedures that many brands underestimate, often leading to delays and unexpected penalties. At Green NRJ, we believe that with the right knowledge and careful preparation, you can turn these regulatory challenges into a competitive advantage. By following a clear, step-by-step approach, your brand can enter the Vietnamese market confidently and sustainably. So, let's walk together through each stage of this journey, from initial preparation to post-market compliance, in detail. The first step is to confirm your product classification. In Vietnam, oral collagen is regulated as a health supplement, not a drug, and not a conventional food. This means you'll need to submit a functional food registration to the Vietnam Food Administration, VFA, before importing or selling your product. Your dossier is the backbone of your application and must include several important documents. These include the Certificate of Free Sale, legalized by the consulate, the GMP Certificate of the manufacturer, clearly indicating the dosage form, scientific evidence supporting the product's health claims, detailed product specifications, technical data sheets, Vietnamese translations of all product labels, and laboratory test results to confirm safety, such as heavy metals and microbiology analyses. You'll also need your business registration certificate as an importer, as well as the official product declaration form according to Decree 15/2018, NDCP. Preparing these documents meticulously is the first critical step. Incomplete or inaccurate dossiers are one of the most common reasons for delays and rejections. By investing time and attention here, you set the foundation for a smoother and faster approval process later on. Once your dossier is ready, the next step is conducting safety and efficacy testing. These tests are mandatory to ensure your collagen product meets Vietnam's strict safety standards. Testing typically includes heavy metals analysis to verify that levels of lead, mercury, cadmium, and arsenic are within safe limits, as well as microbiological testing to check for harmful microorganisms. Depending on your formulation, additional tests for residual solvents or pesticide residues may also be required. By successfully passing these tests, you not only comply with regulations but also demonstrate your commitment to consumer safety, which is key to building trust in a new market. With both your documents and lab tests ready, it's time to submit your application to the Vietnam Food Administration. Along with the dossier, you'll pay an official processing fee, currently about 1,500,000 Vietnamese dongs, or roughly $60 United States dollars. This fee covers the administration costs of reviewing your product for compliance. If your application is complete and valid, the VFA will process it in 20 to 30 working days. However, keep in mind that any missing or unclear information will result in requests for clarification, which can delay approval. That's why working with experienced local consultants, like Green NRJ, can help you anticipate and avoid common issues right from the start. If your dossier is approved, you will receive a product declaration certificate issued by the VFA. This certificate is unique because, unlike in many other countries, it does not have a fixed expiration date. It remains valid as long as you do not change the product's formula, labeling, or safety profile. This certificate is essentially your green light to legally import and distribute your oral collagen products in Vietnam. Now that your product is officially registered, it's time to move on to customs clearance for the importation. For this, you'll need a complete set of shipping documents, including the Product Declaration Certificate, a detailed commercial invoice, a packing list with weight and quantity, a signed sales contract, the bill of lading or airway bill, and, if applicable, a certificate of origin to claim any tariff benefits. Incomplete or mismatched documentation is one of the top reasons for import delays. That's why accuracy and attention to detail are absolutely essential at this stage. Vietnamese regulations also require that all health supplements be labeled in Vietnamese language, with very specific information, including product name and address of the responsible company, country of origin, net content, manufacturing and expiry dates, full ingredient list and nutritional values. usage and storage instructions, warnings, if applicable, and the 2 mandatory statements, health supplement. This product is not a medicine. Inaccurate or misleading labels can trigger warnings, product recalls, or fines, even after your product is already on the market. Beyond labeling, you must also maintain transparent sales records and be ready for random inspections by regulatory authorities. Staying compliant after launch is just as important as getting approved in the first place. But your work doesn't end there. After launching, you must maintain transparent sales and distribution records and be prepared for random inspections by authorities. Strong record keeping ensures your brand stays compliant and protects your reputation in this promising market. So there you have it, a full overview of how to legally import and sell oral collagen in Vietnam, step by step. While the process may seem overwhelming at first, with the right preparation and the right local support, it becomes much more manageable and even strategic. At Green NRJ, we help health and beauty brands like yours register health supplements in Vietnam, avoid costly mistakes, and enter the market confidently. From dossier preparation to customs clearance and post-market support, we're here for every step of your journey. If you're ready to bring your collagen product to Vietnam, contact us today. Let's unlock this booming market together, safely, smoothly, and successfully.